Hey everybody, back with the last half, even though I did this in 3 videos, but this is the other half of the cards I got. These are the quick hits, as I'd like to call them. 2018 Topps Archives Signature Series, 2019 Leaf Ultimate Baseball, and 2019 Topps High Tech Baseball. We're going to do this one first because this is the quick, hit and quit it. Where's the scene? No, let's just go here. Cool. One encased autograph buyback card. You could get a really low numbered Aaron Judge, like you see on front, and you could get a freaking Ramil Tapia. So let's see what we do. It's like a nice little lottery ticket. So let's see it together. And we got Yuli Gurriel. His Bowman paper from 2017. His rookie, number 1099. Yuli Gurriel. Not the worst card, but definitely not the best card. No, Yuli Gurriel. Alright, not too bad. Let's put that away. We're going to go with the... We're going to do Leaf Ultimate Baseball next. This is my first pack of Leaf I've ever bought. So this is pretty interesting. We'll see what we get in here. It is 6 autos. They're all, I know that they're all top loaded already, which is nice. And let's hope we get some decent rookies here. I'm gonna grab one of these decoys from my Donruss. So try and cover cards so we don't spoil who it is. Alright, so there we go. It's like 6 cards. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And nice thick cards too, so it's good. Nice volume. Leaf, good job with your packaging. Alright, let's see. The first card is Glenn Allen Hill Jr. Alt Future Stars Auto. Let's see if that's numbered. It's not numbered on the back. I forget what team some of these players are on. Probably should have looked that up beforehand, but that's what we do. Kind of go in. Actually, you can pull it up pretty quick here. Nope, I'm not going to pull it up pretty quick. Let's see if I can pull up the 2019 draft on Baseball Reference really quick. Alright, did that. Well, it has to be a second rounder. I'm going to try to see if I can scroll really quick here and find them. Alright, I can't. I'll look them up later. Next card is Quinn Prester. Ultimate Arms autograph. I don't think that's numbered. Nope, not numbered. Alright. Keone Cavaco, numbered 10. It's a gold. Don't know who he is either. It's not one of the names I recognize off the top. Oh, he's the Twins pick. Okay. Quick move. And Quinn Prester was Pirates' first round pick. Okay, well, it was the Twins' first round pick. Alright. It's not bad. Joshua Mears Stars. That's blue. That looks blue. Joshua Mears. He's not a first rounder. Nope. Is this one numbered? It's not numbered. Corey Lee is, I think he's decent. He's a second round pick. I thought he was a second round pick. Guess not. Alright. And the last one is, look. That's a pretty good card right there. It's not the best Vlad. There's better Vlad Guerrero Jr. autos to get, but I'm not going to kick away a Vlad Guerrero Jr. auto, numbered 210. That is pretty sweet. Vlad Guerrero Jr. auto. You take that every day. All right. That's a good box. All right. Let's see if we can hit our stride in Topside Tek. All right. This box is going to be annoying to open. So, no, it's 6 cards. Or see, there's 3 mini boxes in here, 6 cards in each mini, 1 auto in each mini, 3 regulars and 2 short prints. The Topps went very elaborate with high tech this year, or last year, to say. Nope. 3 masters, or 3 little. Let's see if we can poke these really quick. If I do this, I'm going to kill myself. There we go. There's 1. There's 2 I got in there. And there's 3. Alright. Put the knife away. Here are the odds. I think you can read it. Alright, we'll do these one at a time. And here we go. I always like when you get mini boxes. Feels fun. Pack 1. Love high tech because nice thick feeling cards. All right. Here we go. Aaron Nola. Love the see-through cards. Put back. Stat lines on. They were really just hiding the stat lines on these cards. It's really funny. Robbie Alomar on the Orioles. Miguel Sano. Let's do the parallels. The white parallel is a Trey Mancini. The green, number 2, 150, Alex Bregman. And our auto is Jose Martinez. All right. That's a decent name. That's not numbered, no. Right, pack 1 done. Let's go to pack 2. There we go. Pack 2. See here. Careful here. There it is. Okay. All right. Walker Buehler, not a rookie. Zach Greinke on the Astros. We got a numbered auto. Chris Sale is our last base. The white is George Brett, as we said. The other is the purple Eddie Rosario to 99. And numbered to 50, we got Sky Bolt rookie. He's number 50. It's got a nice auto. Sky Bolt. All right. And the last pack. Take a little disappointing so far, so we're going to hope for a big one here. Well, that's not good. There we go. Cal Ripken white on the back. Alright. Let's see what we got. Starlin Marte, Frank Thomas, Luis Urias rookie. We got a blue Cal Ripken. We got an orange Jose Altuve to 25. And the last auto is Kyle Schwarber. I don't actually have an auto. I don't think I have an auto of him. I might not. Not the best big name, but oops, there's the backs. Congratulations. Got a purple to 50, but all in all, the purchase wasn't too bad. I got a Vlad Jr. auto, got a Jordan Alvarez auto, got a Brendan McKay auto, got a Nico Horner auto. So out of our packs, so we'll just kind of do our 3 autos again. Sky Bolts, Jose Martinez. Careful here. Gurriel from Topps Archives on a Bowman. And then our Leaf autos again. Glenn Allen Hill Jr., Quinn Prester, Koni Cavaco to 10, Josh Mears, Corey Lee, and a Vlad to 10. Alright, so that'll do it from this purchase. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't know when I'm playing again in the next one. Kind of depends on what's going on with cards these days. Hope everybody stays safe out there, and I will see you next time.